I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you.
Hello guys, and welcome to Cheerful Cleaning Hannah, and welcome to some new cleaning motivation. Today we are starting off in our living room and kitchen, and as you can see, the house is so messy and I really needed to clean everything.
Feel the tension, just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there.
When you make YouTube videos, you can see your YouTube analytics, and my analytics tell me that 81.5% of my viewers are not subscribed yet to my channel, and that's why I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a like. Thank you very much.
The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat. In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love.
And I love using this Bissell Crosswave for deep cleaning all of the carpets and doormats in our house. I got it linked for you in the description box of this video. So check it out if you are interested in buying one.
Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever.
to these burnt pans, I just add a little bit of dish soap and water and then let that sit for a couple of hours, and then after that the grease comes right off. Not only the grease, all of the burnt stuff, you can easily wash it off by hand. Where do you live and how is the weather over there? Because I am so done with this cold, grey, rainy weather that we got here in Belgium. I am so ready for spring to start. I just can't wait. February is always such a long month for me. But how is the weather where you live?
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. Oh, baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. Stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
I really wish we could have a garbage disposal over here like I see in a lot of American cleaning videos, but it's not allowed in our country, so I just collect all the food residue in our sink and then I'm going to scrap it.
Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you
stovetop is super easy to clean. I just wipe it off with a damp microfiber cloth and some dish soap. I often see videos where people are really scrubbing their stovetop with like the pink stuff, but it's really not necessary with ours.
Stone cold. Got me stone cold.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
I always love it when all the laundry is folded and I can just put it away. And now I'm going to dust the downstairs, and I am using this duster that I bought at Action. And after using the duster, I'm going over everything with a damp microfiber cloth.
We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
I'm so happy with how this downstairs toilet came out with the paint and the wallpaper, and I just love the jungle vibes that we have going on in our downstairs. And I am thinking about which room to paint next and what style I'm going for in that room.
I don't wanna change who you are. Things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. Guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing. But I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention. You just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play
that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and I see you next time. Bye!
Strategy smart.